Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 000 AutoCAD practice 1. Switch to AutoCAD. Example 1. Start 1. Create a new drawing with name Start 1. Save project to address drawings. Set units. Set drawing limits. Format A4. Create new layer Start 1. Color red. Line type continuous. Line weight 0.5 millimeters. Draw a picture. Start 1. Let's start. First of all, you choose the command New from menu File and then select File AutoCAD and then press button Open. Secondly, from menu File, choose command Save as